Have you ever eaten what you thought was a healthy vegetable and then woke up with intense joint pain the next day? If you have gout or high uric acid, listen carefully. Some vegetables you think are healthy can actually make gout worse. Most people don't know this. It all comes down to something called purines. Purines are natural substances found in many foods. When your body breaks them down, it makes uric acid. Normally, your kidneys remove uric acid, but if there's too much uric acid, it can form tiny, sharp crystals. These crystals settle in your joints, especially the feet and toes, and that's what causes the sudden pain, swelling, and stiffness. Today, I'll show you the top 5 vegetables to avoid or limit and the top 5 vegetables to eat if you have gout or your uric acid levels are high. Stay until the end, because I'll share one eating mistake that keeps gout coming back even if you're eating healthy. Here are the 5 vegetables to be careful with if you have gout. I want to be clear. These vegetables are not bad. The problem is how often and when you eat them. Number 1, asparagus. Asparagus contains purines that break down into uric acid quickly. If you eat it during a flare-up, your kidneys may not keep up, and the uric acid crystals can worsen pain. Avoid asparagus during gout attacks. If your gout is under control, eat it only once or twice a week. Number 2, spinach. Spinach is healthy, but eating it every day can be a problem for gout. It has moderate purines and oxalates, which can make it harder for your kidneys to remove uric acid. Common mistake: drinking spinach smoothies every day. This can slowly raise uric acid over time. Rotate with low purine greens like lettuce or cabbage. Number 3, mushrooms. Mushrooms have a purine called guanine, which turns into uric acid easily after digestion. And dried mushrooms or mushroom soups are even worse because the purines are concentrated. Limit mushrooms during flare-ups, small amounts only when you feel well. Number 4, cauliflower. Cauliflower itself is not the problem. The problem is portion size. Cauliflower has moderate purines. Many people eat large amounts of cauliflower rice or cauliflower bread every day. Over time, this can raise uric acid. Eat small portions occasionally, not every day. Number 5, lentils. Lentils are healthy, but their purine content is enough to raise uric acid over time. They may not cause pain right away, but over time, they can make gout harder to control. Avoid during flare-ups. Eat only occasionally when gout is calm. Which of these vegetables surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video if you're finding this helpful. It really helps the channel reach more people dealing with gout. Don't forget to subscribe too. Now, here are the top 5 vegetables to eat instead if you have gout. These vegetables are low in purines and help your body remove uric acid. 1, cucumber. Cucumber is mostly water and very low in purines. This helps your kidneys remove uric acid from the body. The more hydrated your body is, the less likely uric acid crystals will form. Eat raw or drink cucumber water, especially before meals. 2, celery. Celery is low in purines and has a natural compound called luteolin. Luteolin reduces uric acid production and helps calm inflammation in the joints. It also supports the body in releasing extra fluids. This makes it easier for uric acid to leave the body. Eat fresh, lightly cooked, or blended into a drink. 3, zucchini. Zucchini is low in purines and easy to digest. It also reduces acidity in the body, which helps prevent uric acid crystals from forming. Steam or lightly cook it. 4, bell peppers. Bell peppers are very low in purines and rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps the kidneys remove uric acid from the blood. Over time, this can help lower uric acid levels. Tip: choose red and yellow peppers, as they are the best. 5, cabbage. Cabbage is low in purines and contains compounds that reduce inflammation in the joints. Less inflammation means less pain when uric acid crystals are present. Lightly cook or steam cabbage. Important mistake most people make. Here's the mistake that keeps gout coming back: Eating the same vegetables every single day. Even healthy foods can cause problems when the body doesn't get variety. Better approach: rotate your vegetables and drink plenty of water every day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe for weekly health tips. Thanks for watching. Take care of your joints, listen to your body, and I'll see you in the next video.